One of the great features of a Brightspace course is its completely digital gradebook. You can keep your learners up to date on where they are in the class and provide real-time feedback. If you want your students to see their updated final grade throughout the course, there's a few settings you need to change. Start by going into your course and clicking on Grades from the top navbar. Then choose Setup Wizard from the Gradebook toolbar. We're going to change a few settings here. Scroll down and click the blue Start button. You're going to ignore Step 1 and click Continue. On Step 2, choose the Calculated Final Grade option and choose the checkbox to automatically release final grade. Click Continue. On Step 3, click the checkbox to automatically keep final grade updated and click Continue. We're going to ignore the settings on Step 4 and 5 and just click Continue. On Step 6, click the checkbox to display final grade calculation to users and click Continue. Step 7 is just to review every change that you've already made. Scroll down and click Finish. If your course has already begun and you need to make this change, there's one more step you need to take. Choose Grades from the top navbar. It should default you to enter grades. If not, click on that. You should see rows of your students and columns of your grade items. You'll see a column for final calculated grade. Click the arrow, choose Grade All. Be sure to scroll all the way to the bottom and choose 200 per page to make sure all of your students are showing. Select the checkbox in the top left-hand corner to select all of your students. Choose the Release Unrelease button. You should see check marks appear. Hit Save and Close. It's going to ask for confirmation. Click Yes. And now your students should be able to see all their grades throughout the term.